Hi, in this video we are going to talk about guideline on working with me. So there is a fourth thing you have to do in this chapter. In the coming chapter we will be talking about creating a video. So in global you have to make 2 videos using your phone, using your laptop, whatever it is. There is no quality condition or there is no minimum requirement. You can do what the best you can do. All right, so you have to make 2 videos, and then second step is to post your videos in a private Facebook group which is dedicated for this course. Okay, also after or before, if you have any question, ask one question minimum in the group, or whether it is to me, it is related to course, or whether to it is any other group members. All right, and then at the final you getting a 30 minutes live chat or live call with me, whether using Skype or a Facebook live. There I will be guiding you on what the activities you have done. This is the end of this chapter. We'll be talking about what we have done so far, or if you are stuck somewhere, I will be helping you to get out of that. And I will like to ensure that you have your idea and you having the knowledge what you're going to, the foundation of your starting a successful business. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.